In this new normal, travelers opt to see more of the countryside life and explore closer destinations.
We're here in Liloan. We're going to take you to awesome places that's going to be outdoor areas, the light of the north.
I'm Mitzi.
I'm Margo for My Destination. Live, love, Liloan.
From Cebu City, travel northbound for just 1 hour and enjoy a reach-to-reef adventure in Liloan town. Its name comes from the Cebuano word lilo, or whirling waters, created by the ebbs and flows of the waters from its popular Silut Bay. Home to the century-old Bagakay Point Lighthouse, it is also referred to as the Light of the North. It is a first income class municipality, which is the best of both worlds, scenic beaches and mountain resorts. And of course, it's the hometown of two iconic Cebuano delicacies, masi and rosquillos. Masi is a sweet, chewy ball made of glutinous rice, peanuts, and muscovado or brown sugar. Finding masi in Liloan is easy because there are many vendors peddling their homemade masis along the highway, usually in the morning. And of course, we tried it ourselves.
Hi, Nang! Hi! Hapon, Nang! Pwede yung palit, Nang? Pila?
Tag-5.
Tag-5? Taga-asa makadili sa Liloan, Nang? Sa yate? Silingan na ta. Naraman ko din ko ano, kanang sa ilo lang gamay Jollibee. Pwede yung palitan nila mga napo kabuk. Kira?
Dugay na ka na maligya aning masi?
Gamay pa akong bata, kinder pa karon college na.
Nay pila ka buk ingon ani mahimo nimo ina day.
To ani siya ka buok, 200 akong da. To 80. Kung mahurot ni siya, mga lebo kapin pero mao lagi di mahurot pa dispose na.
Kumusta man ang imuhang pagpamaligya ron nay? Karon nga pandemya. Medyo hinay-hinay man ang mga tao.
Hinay gyud ka magkamang sa gyud mi. So nanguan sa gid ni ka nang ikapunan ba.
Okay na nanay basta hinay basta kanunay.
Sa kanunay gyud
Diba?
minti.
Mambe, maligya ko na tabi. Masi! Masi! Palit mo, Masi!
Another Tatak Liloan product is its famous rosquillos, originally created by Margarita Titay Frasco in 1907. These are ringlet-shaped cookies with flour-like edges made of flour, eggs, shortening, sugar, and baking powder. Every May, a festival highlights this product because of the economic contributions and honor it has brought to the town. It has now become a pasalubong favorite of travelers visiting Cebu. And today, Titay's has expanded their array of products to include more varieties of delicacies, bread, and pastries. Okay, time to burn those calories with our first adventure stop, a trek to Lataban Hills. To get there from the town center, you can either bring your own vehicle or ride a habal-habal going to Lataban Gym. The motorcycle fare is priced at 80 pesos for a two-way trip. The ascent starts near the gym, which requires stamina and legwork for nearly 1 hour trek, which can take about 20 minutes. But don't worry, the steep climb only happens at the beginning and the rest of the journey is rather easy. Trust me, seeing the view from the top makes all the cardio worth it.
Welcome to
Lataban Hills!
What did you think of that?
Wow, grabe kaayo. It's a really big struggle no climbing up. Not because lisod ang daan, but because it's really steep dito sa may entrance. If tanaw lagi nako no Margo, I think mga 45 degrees gito nga kanang kuan steepness niya. How was it? Ako naghangak yug
You
ko.
know, not 45, but like 90 degrees. I like to say 90 degrees. I was on my knees and hands.
Wow.
This is not sweat, by the way. This is rain. I'm totally joking. This is sweat. So beautiful. So beautiful. You guys definitely have to come over here and check out the Lataban Hills, guys.
Although pamaulan jud ta for sure ani ugma, but it's really okay kay worth it kay ang view. We can see a 180 degree nga panoramic view din hino sa Liloan. It's not just Liloan, but we can also see Mactan Island from afar. And here sa among likod makita nato ang Silot Bay nga atong adtuon later on.
Aside from the view, one of the best things about this place is that for now, the entrance, the use of the tables and chairs, and even setting up a campsite at night is absolutely for free. The Galiendo family also opened up a humble store at the top so trekkers can easily replenish and can be spared from carrying too much stuff. Another fun fact about the place is that it has been one of the bike routes of the famous Xterra Triathlon.
Pero sa ni diri sugod ninyo gipasak-an ate nga nay mo na siyang destination.
Ang nagsugod gini siya atong 2013 o 14 katong naay lumba sa triathlon.
Triathlon, oo.
Duathlon, yeah. Nausban siya pagka sa 2016 katong sa mga motor. Yeah. Gikan ato daghan ng musaka nga ri kana mga trailer nga mga enduro rider ana. Pag lockdown, kanang ginay naman ang among panabaho dito sa Mandawi ni uli ko dire. Motor iablihan ako, gihawanan ako, gibuhat.
Muning nanay mga tanong karon diri para nindot ang
Gibuhatan
view.
akong mga lamesa para ang mo bisita na ikalingkuran. Kung magdasi lang pagkaon o kira, ang ako lang hangyo dili magkatag sa basura.
Now, let's visit a favorite destination of bikers in Barangay Tapla called Victory Park.
Alright, you guys, we're here in Victory Park in Tabla, a few kilometers away from the municipality hall downstairs, down on the bottom. So actually, here's a fun fact. The reason why this is called a Victory Park, because back in 2019, this is where Mayor Cristina took her oath as her second term as mayor. So as you can see, it's a wide area, probably can fit about 500 to 1,000 people. I don't recommend it right now, since it's pandemic. But if you'd like, there's a little hill on the top over there where you can actually chill and just, drink, or not alcoholic, maybe non-alcoholic drinks. Just food, So there's actually a lot of riders that come up here probably on the weekend. They come up here and just, take a breather and enjoy the nature, the greenery part of Victory Park and Liloan. This is literally one of the best places that you can go to just relax and unwind. So you gotta check this out all the way here in Liloan, Victory Park.
Near Victory Park is a junction. The left upland road leads to the Transcendental Highway going to Cebu City's barangays, while the right leads to other upland barangays in Liloan. Signs like this one are plenty in the town, which puts travelers at ease, even in areas without cellular signals. There's a small cottage at the top with an amazing view, and you can order bisayang manok from locals, which they can cook for you upon request. Let's visit the resorts in Liloan's highlands, such as its newly opened Santorini-inspired mountain resort at Barangay San Roque.
So actually, supposedly unta, ang concept ani is African style resort yun unta ni siya. Because ang husband sa owner is from South Africa. And then, nag-work man sila sa out of country man sila. When they arrive here in Santorini, was lang mag-expect na ang mga riffraff gipanggamit is white. So it come up sa ilang mind nga, so instead sa African style of the resort, ila kining gihimo og Little Santorini, which is from the Greece.
Launched in September 2020, this secluded paradise can be reached through a habal-habal ride for only 50 pesos from Barangay Yati. It features a kiddie pool, a trampoline, a jacuzzi, viewing decks, and an amazing lush of green scenery of Liloan. There are also rooms and camping tents which you can rent if you wish to stay for the night. They also have a bar and restaurant, and their American-sized burger is definitely a must-try. There is no cellular signal here, but the resort offers reliable Wi-Fi, so you can still get in touch with the rest of the digital world. Reservations have to be done online first before coming so that the management can ensure that they follow the allowed capacity set by the government during this pandemic.
Actually, ni-follow mi sa IETF protocol nga gi-implement nga di sa municipality of Liloan. And then mula gito abot nato natay kini ganing also nato karon kana pag washing sa kamot, then ang atong alcohol. And then after niya nami nga to form nga para sa contact tracing just in case lang simba ko kunay sa resort. Then na for me thermal scanner. And then pag abot nga ri sa taas makita nato nga atong gimitin ang social distancing sa tibok area sa resort.
If you want a native Filipino vibe getaway, then Ibabaw Mountain Resort is the place for you. Their buildings are inspired by the Pinoy Bahay Kubo, which is reflected in their choice of materials such as amakan, bamboo, and kugon. They offer different room sizes that's perfect for the whole barkada or family. The place really gives off a tropical vibe, except that you get to enjoy a pool with a mountain view in lieu of a beach. For travelers who prefer to do exciting activities rather than relaxing in a cabin, then make sure Papa Kids Marina and Fishing Lagoon is part of your itinerary. This 92-hectare resort offers a chance for guests to experience adventure rides, such as the 800-meter zip line, skybike.
So I feel like this is another trust exercise, no, kay unsa ka masaligon sa mga staff, sa kable and everything, but we can do this. Aja, let's go, kuya! 3, 2, 1, go! Kulbahan ko kuya, so joke lang. Ay, so. Pero ana man gyud na in reality in life. Kay na Junay times nga nagtuha nga ready na ka. Andam na kay ko sa tanan nga risk ba. But hindi pa di ay so ay sa tagay sa pag chance kaya. Do you believe in second chances? Ay, nako. Dili siya. Muna gini siya dili siya pwede hugtan. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Matulong ko.
Katulong mo sila.
Taha. Para magit na kanta. Hey, it's okay, guys. It's a prank. Oh God. So, yeah, thank you so much. So, at first, that was really nerve-wracking, no? Mag-bike ka on a single cable, feeling na ako, mura kong matagak. But then, when I was up there na, wow, amazing kayo ang view. And then, ang mga birds, maglupad-lupad siya sa imong front. So, it really feels like not Earth anymore. But, I'm so glad I did this. And this is a really must activity here in Papakits. And I assure you, it's completely safe.
First in Cebu hamster wheel adventure.
It is really good to note no nga Papakits is the only place in Cebu province which offers this kind of adventure. So basically, ang mahitabo is that there is this wheel and there's that line and musod lang ka here patong and then mulakaw lang yun ka all throughout. It's quite nerve-wracking but kulbaan ko! But let's try it! Let's go!
Another latest addition to their list of adventures is their jet ski ride, which we absolutely enjoyed.
Alright guys, we're here at Papakits and this is their new sport activity here. It's from Grand Horizon Aqua Sports. They open on March 28th and this is it, you guys. This is the save the best for last. We gotta go out on this jet ski. You gotta get wet, you gotta have some fun, you get some speed under your skin. And this is the place to be. Papakits Aqua Sports, Grand Horizon. Let's do this, man. Come on.
Their Aqua Quattro inflatable park is also a crowd favorite, which was launched 3 years ago. Here, you can swing, slide, run, climb, or jump on inflatables mounted on Silot Bay, which will surely unleash your inner child.
Here you can have your all adventure rides and then also we do have aqua sports. So katong mga ganahan, katong mga ka-destinations, visit mo sa Papakits in Liloan.
Wow, nalingaw jud kaayo ko. Yes, really awesome. It's really awesome to travel to the countryside of Cebu. And personally, Margo, I did not expect that Liloan has so much to offer. Seeing Liloan today is really amazing, an amazing experience. So it just makes me so glad to be here.
I can't be even more proud to be called a Liloanon. This is the place to be for your water sports, for your hike, for your trekking. If not the light of the north, I definitely recommend Liloan.
I hope that you had fun as well aside from us because kami lingaw jud kayo sobra. Once again, I'm Mitzi
I'm Margo.
for My Destination.